Hello, and welcome to this edition of the GuardTracks online learning and troubleshooting tutorial. If after participating in this tutorial you still have questions, please feel free to write us a note within our fast response Q&A section located on our website at www.guardtracks.com. We will respond back to you within 24 hours during normal business hours. Today's topic is understanding user types and permission levels. You can expect to learn the following in this tutorial: learning the different user types and understanding the permission levels. For this tutorial, you want to be at a computer with a web browsing window open to your GuardTracks website dashboard page. From your dashboard page, click on a group name to enter the group. Now click the Permissions tab, and then click on the Create User button. From the Security Group drop-down list, you can see that there are 3 different user types. They are Account Manager, Monitor, and Supervisor. But what kind of permission levels do each of these user types have? Let's explore these permission levels a little deeper. Go ahead and click on the Cancel button, and then move back to the main dashboard. Let's click on the Tools and Settings tab, and then the Tools and Settings link, so we can explore the permission levels for these 3 user types. Move down to the Security Tools section, and click on the Create Users and Manage Permissions link. Here is the list of users for this account under the Security Users tab, and there is also a tab called Security Groups that has the permission levels. Let's click on a user's link called View Groups. You can see from this example that user Melissa is an account manager. Let's go ahead and click on the Security Groups tab and explore the permission levels a little further. There are a total of 97 different resources that the different user types may or may not have access to use. Each one controls some small piece of the website, like whether or not you have access to this security section. Let's go back to the Security Users list and choose user Melissa again. You can see that this user currently has access to 68 different resources as an account manager. If I check off Supervisor and uncheck Account Manager and hit Save, you can see the resource list decreases to 53 resources. A supervisor is still allowed to do quite a bit on the website, but not as much as the account manager. The supervisor level is usually reserved for your supervisors and office workers. Now let's uncheck Supervisor and check off Monitor and hit Save again. You can see the Monitor user type only has access to 31 resources. This is the most limited permission level for a user. This level is really for your end-using clients. This permission level is the equivalent of a read-only access. No changes can be made by a monitor, and a monitor will not have access to the security section of the website. You may have noticed that the report list remains the same for all 3 user types. Reports are available to all users, although an account manager may choose to limit the reports that other user types can access. I'm going to check off the Account Manager box and uncheck the Monitor box to restore the original permission level for this user. As you can see, the original list of 68 resources has been restored. I hope you enjoyed this quick overview of the different user types and their permission levels. Thank you for participating in the GuardTracks online learning and troubleshooting tutorial. GuardTracks, the #1 Guard Tour reporting, accountability, and management solution.